of the time it is found that we have an unused corner in our house, whether it is in our bedroom or living room or in any other place. Mostly we clutter the place, but you can make the unused corner to a beautiful sitting space where you can pass your leisure time, you can study your books, you can simply meditate or do any whatever your favorite pastime is. Hi friend, I am Sudeshna and welcome to my channel Lifestyle by Sudeshna. Today I will be decorating the unused corner of my bedroom and I will show you how the unused corner has become a beautiful sitting space. Before starting any organization, this is the simple rule I follow, that to mop the floor and first do the basic cleaning. After that I am placing a small settee in the corner of the room, and beside it I am placing a wooden table that I brought from Amazon. Now I am placing the Erica palm tree beside the settee which I had on the other corner of my bedroom to add the beauty of nature. So it will give a natural look to the sitting arrangement. I am placing a cover over the settee for any accidental spillage, as I have a small kid in my house. To add some comfort in the sitting arrangement, I am placing 2 cushions on the puff, and it has a beautiful Rajasthani cushion cover with applique work. Now I have started to decorate the side table. First I am putting a basic tray on it, and then top of the tray I am putting the book The Power of Subconscious Mind, which I am reading currently. And after that my son Anandjit has putting his favorite lamp on the table. Today he said he will be helping me in the decoration. Here I am adding this beautiful mat to add as a focal point of this sitting corner. This beautiful mat that I have bought from Amazon can work as a floor sitting arrangement as well. Lights are something that can instantly change the look and feel of any object. So here I am using the Diwali lights that has been kept in my storage to decorate the Erica palm tree. It will give a great view at night. Now the corner is ready to sit. So I am sitting here with a cup of coffee, and let me read the book that I am reading currently, The Power of Subconscious Mind. My favorite pastime is listening to music, so let me play some music in my wireless headphone, some soothing music, and relax. Good morning friends, I just wake up now in the morning, and I was waiting since last night that how my corner will look at the daylight. So now you can see the daylight is coming in my room. The money plant is looking beautiful as well. The corner also looking very beautiful. The morning relaxation meditation can also be done in this corner. My son Anandjit has loved this corner so much, so he requested me that he want to do his favorite activity, coloring here. So now he is doing his favorite time pass, that is coloring the pictures. This is how I have decorated the unused corner of my house to a beautiful reading space where I can relax too. Now if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lifestyle by Sudeshna. Thank you. all love gifts and Christmas is a season of gifts. So we have decided to start a giveaway in the month of December during the Christmas season in our channel Lifestyle by Sudeshna's. So please stay tuned in our channel for the giveaway videos. Press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Lifestyle by Sudeshna's.